Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock contact on iPhone. So if you want to unblock a blocked contact on your iPhone, there is a quick tips on how to get that done. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings app on your iPhone, then you scroll down to the messaging app on your phone. Just scroll till you find the app on your phone. You can see this is it here, messages. Tap on it, then scroll down a little bit till you find the option called blocked contact. This is it right here. Once you locate the block contact option, tap on it, then you tap on edit, then you tap on this red little button at the back of the name of the block contact. Tap on it, then you tap on unblock, and that's how to unblock contact on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.